babe, what you doing?
I'm making you a smoothie milkshake.
Let me show you the... Wait for background noise to be gone. No, go away. Stop rummaging. I'm talking to YouTube. Let me show you the fit. You're rummaging again! Third time. Let me show you the fit, as they say on the gram.
The outfit?
Yes. Oh, with Minecraft slippers. Very important. This is like the healthiest smoothie. You can tell because it's green. My friend Tam gave me this. This is Willy. Okay, you might be wondering what I'm doing. I'm not actually cleaning. I'm looking for old canvases and wood boards that I can paint on. I just found these. This is one of the first paintings I ever made. I'm not going to paint over this. This is too significant, too much of a memory. I do have, for example, this one. That doesn't really mean anything to me, so I might paint over this, although I think it's like covered in wax or something, so I don't even know if I can. Might be able to melt it off or something, I don't know. Gonna try and see what I can basically paint over completely or paint over and kind of update or something. This would definitely be a complete paint over. But we'll see, yeah, just have to make sure I don't fall off the chair. And make sure that layers and layers of dust don't come falling onto my head. This is becoming one of those fun things, like where you're trying to do tidying up or something and then you end up getting completely sucked into all the things that you find. But I just found this, which is actually a painting by me, and it is a painting of me. Yeah, that's me. I made it when I was 4, I think. And I was taking painting lessons whilst we temporarily lived in Indonesia for a few months, and it was a painting of me coming out of this kind of rainstorm because we experienced this tropical rainstorm. We got caught in it, so which was obviously a very kind of memorable experience, which I then painted. It's and my mum, she framed it, and it used to hang in our house. Yeah, and oh, I signed it. Look, I signed it. You can see it. My old signature. So basically I've realized I have this big box up there that is just full of boards and paintings on canvas board, and I don't even really know what is up there. Oh, look, the camera can see it better than I can. But these are all just old paintings, and I don't think I can't get them without help from Andrew. He's out at the moment. But in any case, I have found some smaller stuff. So this whole pile here, things that I may or may not paint over. I've got a small pile here of things that has significance that I definitely wouldn't paint over. So I painted this for my grandmother, and then obviously I got it back when she passed away. I painted this when I was pregnant with my eldest, Jupiter. These are just some of my very early paintings, and they're just precious to me. But a lot of this, I guess, was important to me at the time, but they no longer need to exist. And I might paint over them. I forgot about this painting. I'm quite excited about this. I actually really like this, the way it is, except I do think it's a little bit, like, I get excited looking at this because I kind of feel like I can do something with that. And then I've got this kind of a series of paintings I did of like kind of fairy tales. I'm not sure. I'll have to think about whether I want to do something with these. But then there's also just kind of stuff where I was painting in, you know, other people's style, and that just, like, it doesn't really mean anything to me, so I can definitely paint over that. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited. There's possibilities here to do more painting on canvas and wood panels. Welcome to Cooking with Iris. I am making rendang, not beef because we haven't got any, so it's pork. Some rice, and I'm gonna steam some cabbage, and I'm hoping it's all just gonna like work out. I fancied some Indonesian food, so. Good news everyone, I've got my crispy minis back. I haven't had them for ages because we only buy them when they're on offer, and they haven't been on offer for ages, so I've been reunited. So I meant to vlog yesterday doing stickers and stuff, but I ended up having a really unproductive day because I wasn't feeling very well, and then lots of stuff with my Cricut just didn't go very well. I don't know if I should do like an honest review video of the Cricut because I wouldn't recommend it at this point. The results that it gets are amazing, but the process makes you want to throw it out the window, so yeah. Anyway, today I've already done a few things, stuff that I just didn't get to finish yesterday, so I'm feeling a bit better, and I'm gonna do a little bit of course development in a minute. I have got paid work to create a hour-long lesson for an Instagram channel, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of research. Some other people have already released their lessons, so I just want to have a quick look at what they're doing, just kind of, you know, having a little bit of imposter syndrome, so just want to make sure that what I do measures up. So yeah, first I'm gonna have my breakfast and watch some vlogs. So I'm not feeling super motivated today, but I thought I would better get up here and, I don't know, I guess just start doing something. So I found this in my stash of paintings and boards that I want to paint over. This is a particular one where I actually want to keep some of the painting. I'm not going to paint over it fully, as in just reuse the board. I'm going to actually keep some of it. I haven't really, I don't really plan what the outcome of my paintings is, but I'm kind of envisaging like a big eye here, and then just kind of making it, grungifying it, roaring it up a bit, and I really like these shapes here, so I might kind of keep those like that and just kind of see where I go, and I'll film a bit of the process for you so that you can kind of like go, oh my god, what is she doing to that painting? Because I know that's the reaction, right? When I paint over something that looks quite finished and done and pretty. So I'm going to go and do that. You know, you can share your anguish with me in the comments.
Playing some music on Spotify.